In example 1, we want to determine if the measurement is approximate or exact. And the way that you determine if a number is approximate or exact is by looking at the way it was obtained. So here, a surveyor was measuring using some tool, which means that it's always going to be an approximate value whenever you are doing a measurement. Depending on the technology that you're using, sometimes you can get more accurate answers, but it's always going to involve some level of approximation whenever you're taking a reading from a tool. Now, if we wanted to be more precise, then that just means that we would want to have more digits. Precision is letting us know what the position of the last significant digit would be, and so a more precise calculation would be something like 156.15 feet. If you were to get potentially more expensive, but if you were to get a tool that could measure a little more precisely, that just means that it would get more decimals in the answer. Now for part B, we're looking at the voltage, and again, this is going to be a measurement. So it is something that we would be measuring from this voltmeter. And so by design, this will always have to have some level of approximation. But if we wanted to be more precise, then we just need to have something with more decimals. So a number that would round to 116 would be something like 115.7. Having an additional decimal place makes it more precise. And then for example 2, if the computer counts the number of students majoring in science or technology and prints that number to be 768. Now think about the way that this number was obtained. It was not from doing a measurement. It was from actually counting. And so when you're doing something that's involving counting or that's involving a definition, that's always going to give you an exact answer.